Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add music to your videos in CapCut to make your edits more lively and professional. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and create or open a video project. Once your clip is into the timeline, tap Audio from the bottom menu. Then tap Sounds to explore CapCut's built-in music library. Here you can browse any genre or mood that you like, and tap the play icon to preview or listen to your music, and tap the plus button to add it to your project. Then here you can trim the music, adjust the volume, or fade it and fade out using the settings. If you want to use your own music, just stop your sounds and import audio from your device. And that's how you add music to your videos in CapCut. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more CapCut editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.